Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Ed's Blades, and what I have for you today is one from Tenable, which is the brother company of Concept Knives. This is the more economic version of the more higher dollar one that Concept has, that has the titanium handle and S35VN steel. This is the Eaglestrike. It is designed by Australian designer James Lowe, and he's done several different brands I'm sure you're familiar with, between Kaiser, Tucson, and so forth. And this one here, the Eaglestrike, is really just a beautiful one and really usable, extremely slicey. This is Nitro V steel. The other versions, and this does come in several different versions, so take your look at those. You got aluminum handle ones, you got different color version knives of this, and many of them also have like 5 etch marks into the blade. This particular version with the black micarta and satin finish does not have those 5 marks, and that's alright. And I'll let you get a better look at it. It does have a beautiful satin blade. Not a fingerprint magnet, but truly beautiful. And there's James Lowe's signature, or his design, as you can see. I guess that says Eaglestrike. My eyes aren't working. Yep, Eaglestrike. And this is Nitro V, and it is just incredibly smooth. I mean, you don't even need to use both of these crossbar locks to operate it. You can just use one. And because it's on the ceramic ball bearings, it's just so smooth. You can use that crossbar lock to draw it. You can flick it out like so. Let's see. You can do the old reverse flick. And it's amazing how smooth this is. It's probably one of the smoothest crossbar locks I've come across in a while. It's just really nice. They do use the Omega springs in there, and it's actually adjustable. It's got like the 3 dots, the 3 holes right here on the third. To the right is the setting that it's at, which I think is just fine. Can't go wrong with a crossbar lock, and it's just I would prefer it over, say, a button lock, because it's just definitely more sturdier, definitely stronger. So overall, we are looking at 8.36 inches. The blade itself is a pretty decent 3.73 of an inch, so it's pushing 4, and it's at an incredibly thin edge of 0.118 inches. And let me tell you, it's just got that really toothy bite to it on the I've done some slicing with it. Truly happy with it. It's got a needle point finish to it, and the blade itself has got a it's decent thickness all the way to the tip. It's got really nice jimping on it. I like the ramp. It's very comfortable, and the way that curves into there is just, your finger just really locks into it. The whole thing is just very ergonomic to hold on to, and even so, in a reverse grip, that just acts as like a kind of like a finger guard, so you're not going to slip into it. It's a good sized knife. I mean, it's about 8 1/4 or inches long. It's decent, and it does have steel liners. They are not nested, but they are actually lined, milled out very nicely, as you can see. And this does have a back spacer and right side tip up only clip of titanium. I believe it's titanium. It's not magnetic. So, but I am just blown away at how smooth this thing is. Fires out no problem, and it's really nice looking. What really strikes me also is how nice of the contouring is on that micarta. It's just very comfortable. There are no hot spots whatsoever. It's not really the deepest of pocket clips, but it is springy enough to get in and out of the pocket with no problem whatsoever. And this actually does come with an extra set of Omega springs. It has this microfiber cloth that it comes with as well, a little booklet of Tenable, and their box, which is pretty no frills. There's no zippered case in there, but I mean, it comes wrapped up in bubble wrap and so forth. When I did get this initially, it had, sorry about that, the color of it was very reminiscent of like a lighter color that has no oils to that micarta. What I did do of taking the liberty was put a little mink oil in there. And I think the only drawback that I have of this particular knife as a negative is that this micarta is pretty smooth, but to make up for that smoothness, your finger is just locked right into it. And with using that thumb ramp and having that digit in that guard, it's not going anywhere. It's not slippery. It's just very smooth and very comfortable in forward or reverse. So I'll let you get a better look at it. Nice milling, backspace, or so forth. The mink oil worked good. I did wipe off the excess, let it dry a bit, and it's got that nice protected black micarta to really pop into it. You do have really nice thumb studs that come with this, and the whole thing is just very, very comfortable, and it is so sharp. It's very impressive. I'm digging it. So once again, Tenable, knocking out of the park. Love that brand. I love concept knives, but if you want to get this one here, they're available. You can get them at White Mountain Knives. I'm sure Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to check that out. If you do happen to use White Mountain Knives, feel free to use my code NCN, November Charlie November in capitals, and you get 10% off anything from White Mountain Knives. They do offer free shipping, and that's pretty much it. I mean, this is a great knife. Just wanted to give you a quick look-see at it, and we'll do a once-over so you can see. If there is anything in my videos that you would like to see in particular, or like me to discuss, feel free to leave it in the comment. Let me know what you think of this one. It's definitely a keeper. It is a flat grind on there, but man, is it slicey. It's just so thin behind the edge. And I do like that spear point type with drop point blade on it. So you're getting some excellent thrusting into it, and man, just look how beautiful that shines. Isn't that nice? So yeah, there we go. This is the Eaglestrike by Tenable, James Lowe design, and I'm Ed's Blades. Hope you liked the video. Please like the video. Hit that thumbs up. Much appreciated. If you haven't subscribed, feel free. Hit the button there too. It's free. So you guys take care, and I'll see you on the next one.